What's going on, guys? Mike with NRG Creative out here in the water again. We are running the skis. It's a Thursday. I know some of you guys are working. But anyway, guys, these mounts, I've got my favorite ones on the ski right now. And this is the way to record, guys. As you can see, I'm out here. It's a little rough today out here in the Gulf. And any of you still in the Stone Age and trying those sticky mounts for the GoPros and so on and the suction cups, you know, guys, those might work for river riders or lakes, smooth water, but it's not going to cut it out here. These mounts are what you need. There is the rear game changer mount. Runs a selfie stick at a 30-degree angle, or you have the option to run a flagpole, which I kind of like to do all the time, showing those NRG colors. And then this, of course, is my absolute favorite mount. You can see them over on that ski also. This is my favorite mount, the Game Changer side. You get a great angle from front, side, and rear. This one gives you some awesome footage, especially with pulling tubes. And then, of course, the newest thing out here, which utilizes the Game Changer side mount, the Garmin holder. So I like to track my routes when we're out playing. And let's not forget the front mount. This one right here, I'm also using my matched stick. This thing fits so snug in there that on my stick, there's no need for these thumb screws. But the thumb screws are there in case you want to use your own type of stick, like the small Insta360 stick. All of these mounts, guys, have been tested out here in the Gulf in some pretty rough conditions. Again, use common sense. If you're out here in some extremely rough stuff, or jumping wakes and so on, you either want to remove your flag, lower your selfie stick, or you want to keep them down. You never want to ride with a selfie stick of your own on the front and keep it extended. Guys, that's not a good idea on anybody's mount. So check these mounts out, leave a link in the description, check out this footage.